Welcome to our easy-to-follow guide on making a new booking with guest booking option in Logistify. If you need to book a ride without signing in, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on the Book Now button on the Logistify booking window. You'll need to choose your journey type, whether it's a one-way trip, an airport pickup, or an hourly rental. Enter the pickup address from the drop-down menu. If you need to add or remove addresses, you can manage them in the address management section of the system. Once you've entered the pickup address, fill out the rest of the journey details, including any special instructions or requirements. Before moving forward, double-check the time zone and buffer time settings to make sure they're accurate. This helps avoid any timing issues. Next, take a look at the coverage area on the map, as well as the booking date, time, and duration. Enter the passenger details, including name and contact information if you book a ride for yourself. If you are a booker, then enter a booker details along with passenger details. And then choose a vehicle from the available options, which is registered in vehicle category. After reviewing everything, click on Proceed to Pay. This will take you to the payment section. Enter your payment details and complete the payment process. Once your payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation of your booking. Your confirmation will include all the details of your ride, so you can rest assured that everything is set. And that's all there is to it. You've just made a guest booking in Logistify. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.